Okay, what do we have here? Atro design kit for mobile. Okay, bunch of components. Same, pretty polished. Kind of have a mini design kit here to reuse if you want to. Let's see the screens. I'm also mirroring them on my phone. And actually they look pretty decent. I guess they're not part of any flows and stuff, maybe kind of these ones. They're not bad, actually. Here and there, I could spot some opportunity for improvements like contrasts and shit. Maybe typography, but that's subjective. So overall, not bad. Some of these are just, I don't know why they're even there. Yeah, so you get some cool ones and you get some, I don't know what the hell that is. And I guess this is the same. Let's just dig into a couple of them, checking auto layout or not ish. Here and there, you can get some inspiration ideas. This looks like somebody that dribble drafts. But yeah, I don't know. If it's free, I would buy it. I would not pay for it though.